Hey, what's up? Okay, here's the scoop. So, I might be a little sister sick right now. So if, like, I feel like my voice, like, sounds different just because, like, I have so much, like, my throat hurts. I have, like, my throat hurts and, like, my nose is, like, fucking running and shit like that. So that's the scoop with that. So if I sound a little different or a little weird or a little fucking, like, annoying, like, an annoying voice, don't be a bitch about it and just go with it. So besides the sickness, I'm going to be doing another boy to girl transformation video just because I like the wig that I did in my last boy to girl transformation, I changed her up a little bit. So she's a little different or whatever. So I'm going to use that, and I think, well, I don't know. I think I look really good in it, but also like I don't have like this many lights on me when I have the wig on. I usually just have like dark lights on. So I don't know if I'm gonna be looking my best. Okay, so let's just get into this look. So I already did my brows off of camera just because I always do that, because that saves time for me editing and saves time for you watching. And I already have a video up on my channel of me doing my brows. So, you know, if you want to know how I do my brows, just go on there. So I kind of like match the colors of what I'm wearing in the background to what look I'm going to do. I was going through my old photos and I remember like seeing this look that I did and I was like, fuck, that looks good. So you can probably guess what colors I'm doing if you like listen to what I just said. So we're gonna do that. Okay, so we're just gonna like start doing makeup because that's the fucking point of the video. So I'm going to be starting off with this palette right here. This is a Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. It's the first one, obviously. No fucking shit. Everyone knows this palette. And the first shade I'm going to go in with is Silk Cream. This was one of my favorite transition shades, and I like didn't do makeup for like a month, and so I like stopped. But I'm just gonna go, anyway, fuck that. I'm just gonna go put this in my crease with a Morphe M441. Fuck yeah, it was a 441. So this shade is just a very light neutral, like kind of transition shade. It's just going to start us off with something to blend with. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Pukey. It's a darker, it's a light dark brown. And I'm just going to go in with the same 441 brush. And I'm going to put that into the crease as well. So now I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette. So with this palette, I'm going to be taking Rustic now, and I'm going to be taking this on a little e.l.f. crease brush. I'm going to basically just put that into the crease, like really like in the crease, you know, not like blend it out that much, but like blend it out a lot, but like not that much. You know what I'm saying? Just because this is still like we are in the transition shades, kind of, yeah. And I'm going to be using Cypress Umber, and I'm just going to use this on one of the Anastasia brushes that come in the palette, and I'm just going to take Cypress Umber from the Soft Glam palette and pack that on the outer corner, a little bit into the in here, and I can't like fucking talk, and then just blend it out. Okay, so this is how the eyes have come out so far. Just a normal smoky eye. Going to be going in with Sugar Pills Butter Cupcake. It's just this really pretty yellow that is super like badass. So I'm just gonna take this yellow and basically just like pop it on my eye. What I did in like my last, like when I was going through like my old like photos, like what I didn't put yellow, but I put like a really a really yellow gold on, and I like forgot what palette that was from, but I remember I was like, fuck, that shit looks good. And I'm just going to build up this color with this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to put that on the inner corner, no, on this part of my eye. I literally don't, what the fuck? Am I like okay? No, I'm sick, I'm fucked up. So, okay, maybe I should just update you on my life since I haven't posted a video in like 2 weeks. So what? Is this my 4th week of school? Or is this my 3rd? I think this is my 4th week of school. And so far, I hate it. I'm in sophomore year, by the way. And I don't like, I just don't like school. You know, school's not for me as it is for most people. Actually, no, probably not. Actually, okay. I really don't know a lot of people who actually like school, but also those are the people I hang out with. Those are the people that don't like school. So I don't really know who who likes school. But I like, actually, no, wait, hold up. Let me like reevaluate everything right now. Okay, no, I take that back. Oh, no, I don't, wait, fuck. Okay, I hate school, and I don't like learning about geometry or fucking stupid ass English shit or like whatever, you know, I don't really care about that. The only class I really like this year is biology. Ugh, fuck that class. Okay, I'll spill the tea on that later. The only class I really like going to in school at the moment is world history. Like, for so long, I've been like, I've loved world history. Like, I think, like, not even history in general. Like, I love, like, learning about history. Even though sometimes, like, it came over me, like, a couple days ago when I was in school. I was like, this all could be fake. But, you know, whatever. You could even, like, ask my mom. Like, I love history. Like, I love learning about what happened in the past. I don't know, just something, it's so cool to me. Like, I literally, like, bitch, I was watching fucking videos of 9/11. Like, first of all, that shit got me fucked up. Like, that's crazy. Like, fuck. Like, planes flew into fucking buildings. And there's people that videotaped it, like, that shit got me fucked up all the way. Since I feel like trash and I probably look really gross as well, we're gonna fix that. I'm going to be using the Professional Primer from Benefit to make me look pretty. This is going to take away all my pores. Just erase them. I'm probably gonna break out after this video, but whatever, you know. Alright, I'm just going to fucking put this on my skin so I look better. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. So I'm going to take this on a Morphe sponge. It is a really good sponge, definitely would recommend. And I'm just going to blend this foundation out around my face. Hopefully it will make me not look like trash, but you never know. So we have the foundation and the concealer on. Now it's going to go into the powders, like the bronzers, the blushes, and the highlight, eyes, finish up the eyes, the lips, wig, and then we're good. So if you're still watching this, you're a real one. So I'm going to be going in with the Hoola bronzer by Benefit and this Morphe R7 brush. It's this big bronzing brush, and I'm just going to fucking fuck these cheeks up with some bronzer. So now for blush, I'm going to be going in with this blush. This is the Physicians Formula blush in rose. I'm going to take this on a Morphe 310 brush. I'm just gonna fucking pop that shit in there. Okay, now I'm gonna bake. So I'm just gonna bake, and I'm gonna come back when I'm done baking, and we're gonna go on with the video. I'm just gonna bake and just watch and finish up this video that I was watching. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I took off the bake, and I just saved all the extra shit so you don't have to watch it. So I basically put on lashes. I put Cypress Umber on my lower lash line and blended it out with no other color, just what the fuck. With this brush right here, I just blended it out very lightly just so it goes down a little bit. Popped on some mascara. I put on the Bad Girl Bang mascara, then I put on the ColourPop Swerve liner, the gel liner. See, my nose is starting to get all fucked up. And yeah, I basically just saved that just for like your fucking sake, because there's no really point of watching that shit. It's kind of boring. And I just put brow gel on, and I put a little bit of powder on it, and for my brows, and that's all I've done so far. So now we're gonna finish up the face. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the Morphe setting spray and just kind of just like put this around my face, just like a little bit. Where the fuck, bitch? Oh shit. Fan me up a little bit. And then I also put my beauty mark on. Like, I have one there already, I just kind of like re-put it on there. I'm gonna be taking the Amrezy highlight. That was rude. I'm gonna be taking the Amrezy highlighter with Anastasia and a Morphe M510 brush, and I'm just going to take some of this and just start to glow. And on a Morphe 213 brush, I'm just going to take some of that. I'm going to take some of this on my brow bone and on my inner corners. Oh, and also with the black liner, with the black liner, I put it on my waterline, and I also put it on right there on my tight line, just so the lashes, like when I look up, you know, the lashes like blend together. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just gonna fuck this nose up with some glow as well, bitch. Skin is basically done. So for lips, I'm just gonna take in the BFF lip liner from ColourPop. I'm gonna fill in my lips, mostly just like the outer parts of my lips with this. It's funny, I used to never wear lip liners. I literally had no lip liners, and now that I have them, I literally use them every single look. I'm gonna go with Jeffree Star's I'm Nude. Love this lipstick. The lips take a minute for me, so I'm gonna go off camera, then come back. I usually, like, I don't know why, I haven't purchased my favorite liquid lipstick, which is Anastasia Beverly Hills Stripped. I had it, I lost it, I literally don't know where it is, and I haven't bought it since I lost it. I don't even remember how long ago I lost this. So, I probably should go get that again. But, you know, I'm broke, as I said. So, I'm just gonna go finish up the lips, and I come back with the wig. So, be ready to be slayed. No, that sounds too gay. I'll be back. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I don't even know if you did. I mean, I'm pretty fucking boring, but please leave it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Follow me on all my social media accounts. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I guess I will see you on my next video.